How to achieve personal development goals, a step-by-step guide. Personal development is a lifelong process, and setting achievable goals is an important part of this journey. Step 1. Identifying your goals. The first step to achieving your personal development goals is to identify what you want to achieve. Take some time to think about what you want to improve in your life. Step 2. Creating a plan. Once you have identified your goals, it's time to create a plan. Start by breaking down your goals into smaller, more achievable tasks. Create a timeline for when you want to complete each task and set a deadline for reaching your overall goal. Step 3. Taking action. Now that you have a plan in place, it's time to take action. Start with the first task on your list and work your way through each task until you reach your goal. Step 4. Tracking your progress. It's important to track your progress as you work towards your personal development goals. Step 5. Staying motivated. Finally, it's important to stay motivated as you work towards your goals. Conclusion: achieving personal development goals takes time and effort, but the benefits are worth it.